Hi everyone, my name is Riley Milner. I'm a student support specialist with Edson College's student engagement team on the downtown campus. We are so excited that you're here with us today and to introduce you to our student engagement team and our student leader team. And really just to help you kick off the year right with Edson College. So thank you for being here and we are so excited. Go Devils!
Hi everyone, I am Yoma Villalobos. I am also a student support specialist with the Edson College of Nursing and Health Innovation, but at the West Campus. So I am your go-to person here at West. We are very excited for you to be starting this new academic journey. And welcome to ASU, welcome to Edson College, and let's do this.
Hi everybody, my name is Rebecca Farias and I'm a CA on floor 5, Tower 1 at Taylor Place, and I am a student at the downtown Phoenix campus.
Hi, my name is Skylin Tokashiki and I am a fall welcome leader at the downtown Phoenix campus.
Hello everyone, my name is Megan Reese and I am the peer leader at the West Campus.
Hi everyone, my name is Reina. I am a CA for floor 6, Tower 2 at Taylor Place on the downtown campus.
Hi everyone, my name is Maria. I am a fall welcome leader at the downtown Phoenix campus.
Hi, my name is Elena Stavader and I'm a fall welcome leader and a student on the downtown Phoenix campus.
Hello, my name is Matthew. I'm a ASU 101 student leader at the downtown campus.
Hi, my name is Vianney. I'm a fall welcome leader at the West Campus.
Hi, my name is MJ and I'm a community assistant at the downtown campus.
Hello, my name is Emily and I'm a community assistant and student on the downtown Phoenix campus.
Hello, I am Yenny. I am a community assistant at Taylor Place and I am a student at the downtown campus.
Hi, my name is Kylie and I am a fall welcome leader on the downtown campus.
Hi, my name is Cassie Munchin. I am a fall welcome leader and I'm a student at the downtown campus.
Hi, my name is Grace and I'm an ASU 101 student leader and I'm a student at the downtown Phoenix campus.
Hi guys, my name is Annalise Mansfield. I am a fall welcome leader at the West Campus.
Hi, my name is Ivan. I'm an ASU 101 student leader at the downtown campus.
And that's our team. Once again, thank you all for being here. We look forward to an awesome day as well as a great year with you.